Umnyango wezemfundo uthi unethemba lokuthi imizamo oyenzile unyaka wonke izothela izithelo.
You will understand that last year we had actually 2 schools that performed very bad, and MEC had to adopt those schools, and we've been monitoring, we've been visiting them constantly. They've been supported from the subject advisors and your tutors that we actually took to those schools.
eLimpopo abafundi besikole iRaotele Technical banethemba lokuthi bazovuna bakutshalile.
I wrote perfectly fine. It was not that hard, and then I think I'm ready for the whole examination.
Emdantsane eEastern Cape umfundi wesikole sabafundi abanedingo ezikhethekile uSimamkele Zondwayo uthi ukusebenza kanzima unyaka wonke kumenze wasilungela lesisikhathi.
Iphepha besilibhala namhlanje leEnglish belingekho nzima lingekho lula lelibhaleka ngoba imisi zethu thina apha eVukohambe zikwazile ukubana zisincede through yonke le nto ibisenzeka.
Isifundazwe iFree State sinethemba lokuthi sisazohamba phambili futhi ngesibalo sabafundi abazophumelela umatric. Nyakenye sathola u85.1 wamaphesenti. Khona bayizinkulungwane ezingama36 abafundi abafunda ngokugcwele nabayizinkulungwane eziyisikhombisa nekhulu abangafundi ngokugcwele abazobhala.
This is really a celebration that despite COVID-19 hitting us for the past 2 years, we've been able to organize a successful examination.
eNorthern Cape lesi isikhathi esihle sokuthi lesi sifundazwe senze kangcono njengoba imphumela nyakenye sathola u10 wamaphesenti.
We had special interventions where we pulled out the learners from the schools and had specialist teachers helping them to understand the content that they are going to write.
Empumalanga zithe zisuka nje isikole isikhila sahlangabezana nokucishwa kagesi.
The lockdown was a tough time for all of us, but then the teachers, they tried by all means to send us the work via WhatsApp groups or even contact us.
Ukubhalwa kwezivivinyo zikamatikuletsheni kuzophothulwa mhla ziyisikhombisa kuZibandlela.